SMF Street Traders. We're in the last half an hour of the market. Today's date, 8/23/2010. Let me update all of our trading staff around the world here and now with this video. And here's what I'm going to tell you about the leadership. Google has week 1, week number 2, and the blue line, the 10-week, is declining. 3 more weeks, that means that Google goes into another bear trend. How many bear trends has it been in? Well, over here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It was 4 weeks below it. It tried to get above it, but the 10-week is declining. The 20-week is declining. When the 20-week crosses over that 200-week, you can say goodbye to Google. Another thing is the 20-week has crossed over that pink line, the 50-week, and it's very wide. This is very bearish. Doesn't matter that the stock moved $10 off the low, which was tradable on the upside intraday. It's the overall forward-looking trend that's extremely weak on this weekly chart. And you all have been through enough to know that when we were buying it over here for that summer move. But the thing about it is, it's no longer a long position. Intraday, you can go long, but it's a short position using put options. Moving forward, SMF Street Traders. It's got some support down here at about 451 at this blue white line or yellow line. That's a 100-week. So basically, this chart is not a good-looking chart for sustainability if you're buying calls on Google up and out of the money. And that's one of the things why we didn't do that, is because that this trend has failed. And it's going back into a potential SMF bear trend. And what is a bear trend? A bear trend looks like this. 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 4 weeks, 5 weeks. 4 weeks below the 10-week declining moving average. 4 weeks closing below it. That's a bear trend. That's the SMF mathematical qualifier for bear trends. Okay. It tried to come out of its bear trend. You can see how long that bear trend was lasting, and how many weeks that it started there. This would be round number 2. And let me tell you, the second bear trend qualifier is usually the biggest move down in the equity, because its chart is technically mathematically damaged. So, hey, I do apologize for people outside of SMF Street. If you're watching the video, probably think, well, who's that crazy guy talking? What does that mean? Well, it means a lot. And it means about 30 years worth of experience and understanding weekly and monthly trends. Speaking of which, let's take a look at the monthly chart. Oh, my goodness, how sick of a monthly chart could you want? Why is it sick? Number 1, now I've got the monthly rolling over. And not only that, I'm falling through. I've undercut the pink line, the 50-month moving average. I'm about to sell through the monthly bar. This is an August bar through the 20-month. The only prayer that this monthly chart has on it is the SMF monthly bar at support. When I go below there, you'll have a lot more weakness and a lot more downside when you break below. Right now, the only bullish thing about this chart versus the weekly chart is that it's above half of the SMF bar. But I tell you what, once it cracks and closes below that bar, and that becomes new resistance. So what was support at the SMF Pro Street weekly, monthly mathematical ranges between bottom to the top to the middle, as you know, and then we get below it, that means that the trend is a lot weaker. That's the monthly chart. And the monthly chart is bearish.